An hour ago, the price of Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies fell. After the centralized exchange Bybit confirmed that it had been subjected to a massive hacking attack and more than $1.4 billion worth of assets were stolen from its wallets. According to reports, the bulk of this amount consisted of Ethereum and Ethereum Stakes that were withdrawn from Bybit's warm wallet. Hackers are likely to sell these assets through decentralized exchanges. BayBit co-founder and CEO Ben Zhou confirmed the attack in a post on X. He explained that the unauthorized movement of Ethereum from its cold wallets was caused by a UI spoofing attack. He added that by changing the smart contract logic of Ethereum cold wallet, this hacker was able to take control of this wallet and transfer all the ETH in it to an unknown address. It is worth noting that this issue was first reported by ZachXBT, an expert analyst, who identified suspicious outflows from the wallets of this exchange. However, Zhou emphasized that all other cold wallets are safe, and the exchange withdrawal process continues as usual. Confirming the payment of $1.46 billion in damages at a ratio of 1-to-1, Zhou said that the exchange still enjoys financial prosperity. After this incident, the price of Ethereum fell by about 3% and reached $2,727 within an hour. At the same time, Bitcoin also experienced a drop of nearly 1% and reached $98,091.